Hi, I'm Sarah, and today on Budgetsew, I'm going to show you my thrift haul. So on the weekend, I was thrifting at the Salvation Army store here in London, and I got some really nice stuff. I started off in the fabric department, and I bought some wool gabardine. There's about 2 yards, it's 58 wide, and I got it for $5.99. It's in a beautiful forest green, and I think I'm going to make either a suit jacket and pants, a suit jacket or some pants out of it. I'm not quite sure which one yet. And then I found a pattern. It's a New Look 6224. It was 99 cents, and I'm not sure the year of it, but I love this skirt. It has 2 pleats in the front and it just falls below the knees, and I think that would be really great for fall. Maybe I'll make the skirt out of the wool gabardine. Not sure yet, but I think that would look really cute. The next thing I found was this Patterns Metallic book. You can knit or crochet in it, and I'm actually teaching myself to crochet and to knit. The pattern that really caught my eye, it's a hat and scarf pattern. It's really, really pretty. Let me see if I can put it here. It's this right here. I think it's really, really cute. I wear hats all the time, so I think that'll be a great challenge for me to learn to crochet. And the final thing I got at the Salvation Army store, it was less than $3. I can't remember if it was $2 or $2.99, but this book, it's Dressmaking. It is great. It takes you step by step through sewing. What I really like is that there are patterns available online. So in the back of the book, it shows you the patterns. This is a pants pattern, for example, and it's in grid, and each square on this grid transfers over to 2 square inches if you're drawing it by hand. But you can actually download the patterns as well off their website and then print them off and piece them together. What I liked about this book is it tells you about fabrics. So for example, here we've got silk. It's telling you all about silk chiffon, and it just goes on that way. And then we have patterns and cutting out. It shows you how to alter patterns as well. Really, really handy. Let's see. Some other things in here are about skirts, dresses, jackets, pants. And these patterns are actually available for download. They're the ones you can download, and it shows you how to alter them and how to sew them. So the patterns are online. You can print them off or draw them from the book. And then the instructions are in this book. So it's really, really handy, I think. And farther in the back are some nice little embellishments you can do. For example, you can add trim to a cardigan, and they show you how to do that. So you start with like a basic cardigan, and then you can add your trim and your buttons. Something else I thought was really nice is showing you how to embellish with sequins and beads. There was something else that really caught my eye. I've actually been doing this for a while, lengthening a skirt or a dress with a contrasting band. This is something I love to do. A lot of skirts I have, and dresses as well, fall above the knee or at the knee, and I'm more leaning towards more of below the knee. This was the other one, embellishing a t-shirt with flowers. So they're telling you how to do that as well. I think it's really pretty. So that was my thrift haul from the Salvation Army store. Stay tuned for more videos of my thrift haul. See you next time. Please like and subscribe.